Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to stop TikTok from muting your videos. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you're encountering this issue, it's likely due to the use of a song without copyrights on TikTok. To address this, ensure that when uploading, you either select copyrighted songs available in TikTok's library or directly use a song from TikTok's library, which is a secure option. However, if you wish to use a specific song and encounter a mute, here's a workaround. Step 1. Delete the muted video and proceed to TikTok. Step 2. Hit the plus button to re-upload the video. Step 3. After selecting upload, locate the deleted video. Step 4. Tap next and proceed through the necessary steps. Step 5. Tap the edit button in the upper right corner and choose the sound option or tool. Next, you'll encounter 3 options: add sound, sound effect, and voiceover. The decision is yours regarding which one to pick. If I go with add sound, select a random song, tap use, and fine-tune the volume of your uploaded video by tapping on volume. Reduce it completely and then save your adjustments. Tap next. Step 6. Maintain the original sound by keeping it on. Step 7. Post the video to TikTok, giving them the impression that you're not using a copyrighted song. Step 8. Additionally, consider using your original sound for added security. This method aims to circumvent the mute issue and maintain the appearance of using non-copyrighted content on TikTok. Always exercise caution and adhere to TikTok's guidelines for a seamless experience. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.